Clickfunnels 2.0 free trial for home restoration businesses. How do you attract new business? Referrals? Social media? Pay-per-click Google ads? Google My Business. Most people begin their search online when they're looking for a service business, and that's exactly what Clickfunnels 2.0 was designed for. As a home restoration professional, you understand the value you can provide for your clients. Restoration of damaged homes is hard work that also requires knowledge and experience, but offering great restoration services is not enough. You deserve to be paid for the value you provide for your customers. But if you don't have enough customers and enough high-paying jobs, it makes it hard to pay the bills, give your family a good life, and fulfill your dreams. If you want your business to succeed, besides your restoration services, you have two other jobs. One is to get found by your prospects, and two is to make sure they know you're offering the best restoration services available. That means you need better marketing, but without losing focus on your business. At the end of the day, you want a simple way to get new clients that doesn't take too much time and works for you on autopilot to attract as many high-paying clients as you want. And that's what Clickfunnels 2.0 does best. Clickfunnels 2.0 is an all-in-one marketing platform that includes a website, custom sales funnel landing pages, customer relationship management software, and an automated email platform. In a minute, I'm going to tell you about some special bonuses I have for home restoration businesses. But first, let's look at why Clickfunnels 2.0 is the ideal tool for getting you as many high-paying clients as you want. The easiest place for your ideal customers to find you is online, and Clickfunnels 2.0 training demonstrates the best way to do that, using a lead squeeze funnel. The goal is to provide an irresistible, valuable offer that will let you show your expertise and gain the trust of your prospects, so they'll trust you enough to give you their business. The best lead magnets are very specific. They usually focus on one important item. They help prospects get closer to their goal, and they give immediate satisfaction. Here are some lead magnet examples that a home restoration business could offer their prospects. A free estimate, premium materials discount, free guide, free checklist. Your lead magnets help you build email lists of your best prospects and separate lists of satisfied clients. They help you attract better leads, and they decrease your cost per lead. Here's an example of a home restoration checklist offered as a lead magnet. This lead magnet is shown as an illustrated example of a book, but it's not actually physically printed. It's delivered digitally as a PDF file to anyone who fills in their contact information. Website visitors will see this lead magnet when they're online. When they click on one of your ads or informational posts on Google, Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, or Twitter. This lead magnet provides helpful information to your prospects, but it also gives you a chance to set yourself apart from your competition. A guide like this can help prospects understand the tasks and costs involved with a restoration. It's helpful because it tells them what they need to do, but it also shows them why they don't want to do it themselves. It positions you as an expert in your prospects' minds, sets client expectations, and may weed out prospects who aren't a good fit for your services. A well-written guide or checklist will not just show off your expertise. As part of the guide, you can include inspiring photos or videos of your work, or of satisfied customers providing testimonials, or describe the benefits you provide for your customers, especially if your competition doesn't. You don't have to create these lead magnets yourself. Just hire the job out to someone on Upwork or to a writer that publishes related content. You'll pay for your costs and more with the new business you get from people opting into the lead magnet. When your prospects give you their contact information for this guide, they're raising their hands as potential customers. They also give you permission to email them, which means you can keep sending them valuable information about home restoration and construction-related information, and also about the benefits your business provides. Lists of customers and prospects' emails that you can send marketing messages to is one of the most valuable marketing assets any business can have. It's like your own personal customer group that you can interact with and send reminders and offers to whenever you want. These are warm audiences. The people on your list already know you and like you. There's no cold calling and no continuously paying for ads. And most businesses don't do this, which gives you a big marketing advantage. With Clickfunnels 2.0, you can create a series of emails that get sent out automatically to each person who opts into your lead magnet over a period of weeks, months, or even years. You just write out your email series content one time up front, or have someone create the emails for you, then forget about it. Your emails will go out in drip feed mode automatically to every prospect until they either hire you or opt out of your list, whether that takes days, weeks, months, or even longer. After they hire you, you can move them from your prospects list to your customer list and send them a different sequence of emails, providing helpful information or offers of other contracting services. This lead magnet will attract many prospects, but ClickFunnels 2.0 lets you build as many lead funnels and magnets as you want. You could create different lead magnets for commercial restorations, or for flood or fire damage restorations, or for different geographical areas. If you want more high-paying jobs, then create lead magnets around those. ClickFunnels 2.0 works for home restoration businesses because it's an entire platform for running your restoration business online. Smart lead funnels help you win new clients. It's easy and quick to build high-converting landing pages. Automated emails let you nurture prospects in your sales funnels effortlessly. And you can post your professional articles or other content online. The big thing is your competition isn't doing this, which gives you a marketing advantage and will give you first shot at the best clients. Many home restoration professionals would love to grow lists of current, past, and future customers to stay in contact with, provide value to, and win future business. They just don't have the time. Setting up automatic emails once makes this possible with only a little upfront effort. You can do all this yourself without paying for help, but it's a perfect job for a virtual assistant or on an as-needed basis with an Upwork contractor. Most home restoration professionals don't have time or aren't interested in writing a blog, but it's a great way to tell stories, engage prospects, show off your expertise, and get seen by your future customers. If you're the only home restoration business in your area with a blog, your articles will show up on the first page of Google search. It's like free advertising for your business. You don't have to write articles yourself. You can hire it out or ask other experts to write guest posts on your website. You can make lead magnet offers within your content, and people who click through will come to your lead magnets, and some will opt in and become future clients. You can do all this on your website from within your ClickFunnels 2.0 account. It's worth doing because you only write each article one time, and it will attract prospective customers day after day, week after week, and month after month. And a certain percentage of those people will hire you. A few $100s up front for some articles that will show up on Google could attract tens of thousands of dollars in business every year, year in and year out. Your lead magnet is only the top of your conversion funnel. It's how you get interested prospects to raise their hands. Even if prospects don't hire you immediately, ClickFunnels 2.0 lets you automate communications with them, sending out regularly scheduled emails that provide helpful information that moves them closer and closer to a conversion until they're ready to do business with you. Your automated sales funnels will help you stay in contact with your prospects. You can also encourage your prospects or current customers to refer your business to their friends and family. If you want to try ClickFunnels 2.0 and start getting more ideal clients for your business, please click on the link in the description or in the comments below this video. Now I'm going to tell you about the bonuses I have for you that will help you get more business when you sign up for your free trial, and another special bonus if you subscribe to ClickFunnels 2.0 after your free trial. My first bonus is Paul Murphy's 24-hour ranking system. It will show you how to rank your services and content on the first page of Google in less than 24 hours, not with paid ads. These are free placements of your services or lead magnets. This is a blue ocean strategy with low competition and free traffic. Your content won't be presented as an ad, but it serves the same purpose, except you don't have to pay for it. The second bonus is unlimited weekly group coaching with Paul Murphy, the developer of the 24-hour Google ranking system. Want to know how to rank your business content? He's the guy you want to ask your specific questions of. You'll be invited to this when you sign up for the ClickFunnels 2.0 free trial using my link. Next is Paul's 4-day Google ranking challenge. It shows you step-by-step how to get your first free content ranked on Google. If you decide to keep ClickFunnels 2.0 after the free trial, because you understand how it will grow your business, you'll also get my content distribution bonus, your ClickFunnels 2.0 content everywhere. It's guaranteed to make your business show up for more keywords with higher rankings in Google. This works really well for local businesses, and it will help you outrank your competition in Google search in your niche and your geographical area. You won't find any other service like this. I charge my clients $1,200 for each campaign, and it's worth that and more in winning you new business. But when you sign up for ClickFunnels 2.0, you'll get your first campaign free. One campaign will give your business a boost, and no further purchases are required. Here's what my service will provide. Visibility for your Clickfunnels 2.0 content on multiple platforms, including Facebook, YouTube, Vimeo, Google, and LinkedIn. Each campaign provides multimedia exposure for whatever content you want to rank for on your website, including your how-to articles or other blog posts, or your sales funnel content, in videos, articles, infographics, podcasts, and slide shares. Your website content will be able to leverage high domain authority sites and brands, get traffic from Google News and hundreds of sites, get hundreds of high-quality backlinks, get hundreds of keywords ranked, and you'll get documented reporting of all this. Clickfunnels 2.0 is not just a business and website platform. The training inside teaches you everything you need to know and master, including how to succeed with Clickfunnels 2.0, how to build and use funnels, how to generate leads, how to get more conversions, and how to create lead magnet offers. Give Clickfunnels 2.0 a try today. Get more qualified leads for your business, plus my bonuses. Just click on the link in the description or in the comments below this video.